Inside this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Clickbank using a completely free strategy. You're going to learn how to make money fast using Clickbank affiliate marketing, how this can be set up in just a few minutes, and you don't even have to show your face to use this method. The first thing we're going to do in today's video is I'm going to show you how to find the best product and niche to promote with this 100% free traffic method. Our affiliate marketing strategy is going to go like this. First, we're going to be using our free traffic method, TikTok. Now, TikTok has crazy virality, and you can go viral on TikTok without ever having to show your face. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that inside of this video. And I'm also going to show you how to put together a landing page for your product, as well as how to earn commissions on Clickbank by promoting a specific product on TikTok. Lastly, I just want to show you some results that I've had promoting other kinds of products on TikTok, so I know that this works. I know that the strategy of affiliate marketing on TikTok definitely works, and it's going to work for this product because there's tons of different accounts that are having success promoting this product that I'm about to show you on TikTok. First things first, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and like this video if you get any kind of value from it whatsoever. And without further ado, let's jump into today's method. Before I show you the best product to promote on TikTok when it comes to Clickbank affiliate marketing, you need to sign up for a free Clickbank account. This is going to be the way that you can manage your clicks as well as your sales and get payouts from Clickbank when you earn affiliate commissions. So go ahead and click on Start Here and answer the questionnaire and sign up for your free Clickbank account. Now, once you're inside of your Clickbank account, go over to the left and click on the marketplace icon. That's going to open up the affiliate marketplace where we're going to find our specific product. Once you're inside the marketplace, we want to scroll down here to the spirituality section, click on that. And then the second one from the top, the soulmate sketch, TikTok and social media monster, that's the product that we're going to be promoting on TikTok because it has such a high conversion rate with that audience. You'll notice that the gravity score is 234.6, which is absolutely huge. Plus you get $18.39 initial conversion, and then there's a $7.51 rebill. So you have the potential of making passive recurring income promoting this product on TikTok. First things first, go ahead and click on the promote button, enter in your account nickname, and then click on create hop link. Copy this hop link right there and go ahead and add this to a notepad so that you don't lose it, because we're going to be using that affiliate link later. But for now, I want to go ahead and paste this in and show you guys what the landing page for Soulmate Sketch looks like. And this is exactly what it looks like. It's a very simple video, but once people scroll down, they can see all these different sketches, and they actually get sent a digital sketch of these people after they answer a questionnaire. So it's a really awesome product to promote if you want to promote a product that is extremely high converting. All they have to do is just click on yes, I want my soulmate sketch, and then they have to put in all this questionnaire, and that makes people convert even more. And then all they have to do is just click on get your soulmate drawing, and it will lead them to a payment page. Now, before we actually promote this product on TikTok, we need to go over to Linktree and build a landing page for our affiliate link. So sign up for Linktree. It's completely free, and it's a very easy to use link in bio software. Once you've signed into Linktree, now it's time to add our affiliate link to the link in bio software. So click on add new link, and then you want to paste in your affiliate link in this URL section. Then click on the title and edit the title. But now you'll notice that Linktree actually says this is an unsafe URL. So instead of just pasting it in directly, what we need to do is head over to bit.ly.com and create a bit.ly link. It's really simple to create a link on bit.ly, and it's 100% free. All you have to do is just click on create new, click on link, paste in your URL right there, and then hit create on the bottom. Your URL is going to look like this, and you can use it inside of your account. Your bit.ly link will look like this, and you can actually edit the back end to make it a little bit more presentable to your TikTok audience. Then after you do that, just copy your bit.ly link and head back over to Linktree. Now, instead of using our Clickbank affiliate link inside of Linktree, now we can paste in the bit.ly, and you'll see that the unsafe URL goes away and we can use a bit.ly link instead. Now our Linktree landing page is good to go. You could add a profile image and a background to make it look a little bit better, but this is basically all you need to have on your landing page because you want people to click this link and no other link on your page. So keep it really simple with just one link. Okay, now that we have our affiliate link and our landing page, and we have the perfect product to be promoting with our free traffic source on TikTok, now it's time to teach you how to build out these TikTok TikTok channels that will bring in the correct people to buy these products from you. And for our example, we're going to be using 𝗬𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧. As you can see, they have 1.2 million followers and 22.3 million likes on their channel. Every single one of their videos gets around 26, 50,000 here, another 22,000 here, another 12,000 here, 15,000. So a lot of their videos are getting 10 to 50,000 views per video, and each one of their videos is really simple. All you have to do is just create this text over a background video, and then inside of their description of the video, they put "find out what your soulmate looks like" inside of bio, and they use text elements to spell out the bio. The reason that they do this is because TikTok doesn't like it when you say the words "link in bio" or type out "link in bio," so they disguise it by using these text elements here, and it works perfectly to still get virality, but also get link clicks on their profile. And if we go to their profile, you'll see that they are promoting the exact same product that we are going to be promoting. So we know that this works because if somebody has 1.2 million followers and they're promoting this product, they're obviously making a lot of commissions with the Soulmate sketch. And here it is. It's the same exact product that we just got our affiliate link from Clickbank. So you know that this strategy works. Now all we have to do is start creating videos just like the ones that 𝗬𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧 has been creating. Now it's good to know that in order to put a link inside of your bio on TikTok, you need 1,000 followers. So until you have 1,000 followers, I recommend that you create an Instagram account and put your link tree inside of that Instagram account and then direct people from TikTok over to Instagram, because you can put an Instagram link inside of your TikTok profile. Once you send people over to Instagram, they can click on the link inside of your Instagram bio until you get 1,000 followers. These videos are extremely simple to make. If I click on one of them, again, you'll notice that it's just one background video, and then they just use the text option on TikTok to create this kind of text. I recommend using the similar kind of text that they use inside of their videos to get the best results. But if you need these videos, all you have to do is head over to Canva. Once you're inside of Canva, you can type in TikTok to create a TikTok template. And once you do that, you have the option to add any of these video templates into your TikTok and then just download that video, upload it to TikTok, and add some text to it. And you should start getting similar results as to the 𝗬𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧 TikTok account. So just click on Elements and then search for Candle over here, and then you're gonna get a bunch of different candle videos. And all of these you can use on TikTok. I tend to like the ones that are using people inside of them, so I'm gonna drag this one over, drop it into the TikTok template, and now we can just go over here and download this video by clicking on Share, click on Download. We want to download the video in MP4 format, and after we do that, we can just add some text using the TikTok app. And the text that you want to use is going to be similar to these different channels that you find on TikTok, like 𝗬𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧. Now, you're not just limited to promoting that Soulmate sketch product on your TikTok. You can actually promote other different kinds of products inside of this specific niche. And one of those products can be the wealth manifestation offer. And this product right now has a gravity score of 282. So it's really working well right now on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. All these short form video apps are really killing it when it comes to these types of offers. So all you have to do is just open up this offer and you can take a look at it to see whether or not it would work well with your audience, and then just go about these same methods of promoting these products. You'll actually notice that 𝗬𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧 also promotes this wealth product. If I click on their link tree and we go here, we can see Manifest Wealth. That is the same product that I just showed you over here, and they're obviously getting success from promoting both of those products. So you can add more products to your link tree in order to get more kinds of audiences to click on those links, and then ultimately you're going to be making more affiliate sales on Clickbank. So that is essentially how you make money on Clickbank with absolutely 100% free traffic. Now, if you want to learn how to master TikTok to get even more sales and more leads from the TikTok platform, and not only TikTok, but learn how to do Instagram as well as Facebook and even YouTube Shorts, then I recommend checking out this program called the 15-Second Free Leads. It's actually only $1 to join, and it's a social media challenge to challenge you to get more affiliate sales by using these different kinds of social platforms, including TikTok. I recommend checking it out because a lot of people have success, including myself. I took this course back when I first started my TikTok account, and I've been able to make some affiliate commissions with some different kinds of programs using the strategies taught inside this course. You can see that this person made a sale their first day after promoting videos. This person right here got 308,000 views in 7 days of starting their account. So you can see a lot of people are getting success with this. And if you want to join the 15-second free leads program for $1, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below this video inside the description, and you can join the 15-second free leads program. And if you want more content from me, make sure to check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. My name is David, and I create content all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, different kinds of side hustles, and digital marketing softwares. If you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see all of you guys when I release my next video.